gives me the ability to talk to all our employees, which make this company a great company. We want to reach out as far as possible in an organization because everybody is important, and this video allows us to reach those people. This will be an update on the strategy, how we're doing it at the company, but also conveying, because we were acquired by RPC as BPI in August 2016, and there is going to be a new era. We organize the things a little bit differently, more market focused, more business focused. The impact of RPC on BPI has to be the focus on health and safety, has to be the focus on growth, and has to be the focus on innovation. Over the last 25 years, BPI has really changed a lot. They had a lot of acquisitions, they had some divestments. Part of our strategy is, besides getting the right return on, we want to get value-added growth. So we want to grow the company further. The growth of RPC has been tremendous. They started in 1991 with 5 factories, and currently we're over 200 factories and a £3 billion business with over 20,000 colleagues. We want to grow into innovative products. We want to do a lot of design and engineering on the product, on the service, how we're going to service customers, which products we combine, and how do we approach ourselves towards the market to give ourselves a proposition to the customer which is unique. The real essential ingredient of any company, and also of us, are our colleagues. We have 2,100 very, very dedicated people at this moment, and that is the real key ingredient to this business. And everybody can buy the machines, everybody can buy the raw materials and hire and put them into a building. It's the difference is how the people are there, how the people are led. So that's the key ingredient to the success of our business. We put an enormous amount of effort into training, educating, mentoring our people, working the people up to become the next management level. And that allows us to hire the best people in the industry. And the people enjoy working for IPC because we allow initiatives, we allow people to progress, we give people the ability to show the best of themselves. We have very good, high quality, high service to our customer. What we add as RPC is coming from a product into what we now define as a smarter, flexible solution. So yes, we have very good products, and we want to bank on those products, but we want to go to customers and give them a more full solution. My number one priority, safety. We have a very good workforce. We need to keep them safe. Health and safety is our first priority. So rule is not the objective, safety is our objective. The minimum respect we have to show to our colleagues is when they come into the factory, come in and work in a work-safe environment. No work is too urgent, so it can't be done into a safe way. That's also a major change that BPI has seen. We've put a lot of time in, we've invested already a lot of money. We have changed the approach, how we do stuff into the business, and make people more and more aware. Every meeting should start with a health and safety element. We're asking all our colleagues to give us hazards, to report hazards, and it's our responsibility to make sure that we solve those hazards within a very short period of time. We've invested into the factories. We made the factories more 5S is something that's very important. I think 5S is a key to run an efficient operation, but also to run a very safe operation. We now have moved into 4 strategic business units, being BPI Agriculture, BPI ProTech, BPI Indupac, and BPI Recycled Products. So it's a more joint approach towards the market. If everything is run from head office, they're very, very detached from it. They allow us to stay in control of our own destiny, to still be an entrepreneurial organization, and which has the backing and support from the group. We need to continue to improve our results. Of course, there is the investment they're going to do as RPC. They want a return on, so we have to do the right investments. We're focusing ourselves on 50% of our investment is going to be in the growth-related projects. 25% will be in back-end automation and automation to make the product and the production run more efficiently, and 25% will be on renewal of the current machinery. Our markets are changing, our customers are changing, we need to change with them. There are more demands on the customers, people's behaviors are different, the population is growing, we need to be able to deliver solutions to the markets, and the market is changing constantly, we need to change also. A lot of our customers are international. We do see that the markets we are delivering are still fairly regional, being European, with the exception of our agriculture business, which is a real worldwide place. But we also now see that due to the impact of RPC, our Indupac division is now also asked to deliver products outside of Europe, which as a group and with the current production platform of RPC allows us to go and follow our customers into different regions outside of Europe. Focus on recycling is increasing every day. So for us it's important that when we make a production, we make as least waste as possible. Every waste we make, we're going to recycle and enhance our position into recycling products which come from consumers or from the industry to take it back and make new products out of it, giving it a second life. We as BPI, we recycle 70,000 tons of material through our recycling factories, and we recycle them and upgrade them to make very good final products for waste management, construction solutions, landscaping and furniture. And it was also very important when we produce the product, we produce them in the most environmentally efficient way. It's very important that you learn from your experiences. We got a lot of people who got long years of service within BPI, and we're leaning on them. We also need new younger people in for newer ideas, which we can use the experience what we have in the past with new ideas. So I think the combination of experience and flexibility and understanding the market is very important. We've changed our structure into a much more business and market focused organization. We think there are needs in the market which we're addressing, needs in the markets which are similar in the UK as there are in mainland Europe, and by combining the sites together I think we get better solutions towards our customers. We have innovation directors to make sure that innovation is a process. People talk about sales, they talk about purchase, talk about production. In our world, innovation is also a process which has to be managed. And the management of the process and innovation director is not the person who I call the nerd in the shed who comes up with a solution. The innovation director should coordinate the whole approach, because innovation comes from everybody in the whole company, from the person on the shop floor to improve our core strengths, the salespeople who know what the customer is trying to solve. It's about our polymer scientists who know what we can do with the latest materials. And it is about people thinking outside the box, creating different products for different markets. And all those things together will be our innovation strategy. BPI's 2020 vision is added value growth. So we're not going to grow for growth's sake, we're going to grow into areas where we can make a difference, and in areas where we can make a difference is an area where we can create added value. So we're working on products which are filling faster. So we create capacity at our customers so that they need to invest. We create solutions into where there are patented closed solutions. We're creating new solutions, giving the customers choice. And we also give the customer the ability to differentiate themselves from the market on the shelf. Our customers will grow and succeed from innovation because we're going to make not only their life easier, we're going to make the final customer's life easier by giving convenience towards the product, convenience in how to apply the product, and convenience for the final customer to use the product. A can-do approach is really important because we have to talk to our customers about what is possible and impossible. We have to talk to customers where the benefit is from them and from us. And a can-do attitude is the positive attitude. We're not seeing problems, we're just seeing some challenges, and together we will overcome them. We will move ourselves forward, we'll push ourselves to become a better company, we push our people to become better people, and we become better management, and together we will become a better company.